chapter or first chapter of chemistry, that is chemical reaction and chemical equation. This very first chapter will tell you about the characteristics of chemical reaction, different types of chemical reactions, how will you recognize the different types of chemical reaction, then what is chemical equation, how can we balance the chemical equation. Then one very important topic of this chapter is oxidation and reduction, which will be useful to you in class 11. And then last, there are some activities like corrosion, rusting, rancidity. These topics will be studied by us in this chapter. Very first thing will come in your mind that what is chemical reaction? What is chemical reaction? What is chemical reaction? Before starting this topic, chemical reaction, you have studied in class 6, I think, changes. Physical change and chemical change. Physical change, just cutting of piece of paper. Powder of any metal, etc. But changing of milk to curd, burning of paper. So you can see in this only the physical property will change, shape, size, color, it will change during physical change. Paper or piece of paper, when it will be cut, it will change its shape or size, but the property of paper will not go anywhere. Like that, powder of any, you just take one gold and change it into powder, and then you take one particle. That one particle will also called gold, and that one particle has also the properties of all golds. But in chemical change, when the milk will be changed into curd, can you change curd into milk? No. When anything is burned, coal is burned into coal ash, paper is burned in paper ash, can you change those ashes into paper? Can you change that curd into milk? No. If you can't do it, it means in chemical change, internal change takes place. A new substance is formed, all the properties change. So, the physical change which you study in physics chapter, but in chemical change, it is the change, in this the new substance is formed. And the process by which the new substance is formed during chemical change is actually called chemical reaction. Literal meaning of chemical reaction means the formation of new substance with no new properties. So here we will see the definition of chemical reaction. Definition of chemical reaction. Definition of chemical reaction is the process of change of one or more substances into other substances with new composition and properties is called chemical reaction.